want it, Melissa.
What on earth are you driving at?
I can't discuss it with you.
Why not, Aunt Claudia?
Because you're too young, Melissa.
I am old enough to be engaged.
You are not engaged.
The kiss. You saw that half an hour ago, didn't you? I might just as well say, I can't discuss it with you because you're too old, Aunt Claudia.
How dare you speak to me like that?
Oh, are all old people such stone wall? There's a shadow, there's a trouble, there's a ghost in the house, and when I ask you what shall I do, you talk about your blessed dignity.
This is the second time in one morning you have driven me out of the room.
Well, I am sorry, but I am so worried. Don't you see? I have to keep it off Mother and Julius. I have got to tell Julius, Aunt Claudia, if you would only be decent, if I only knew what to do. What are you looking for?
They have moved my, Emma. It's Emma. Oh, my own darling.
I am not Emma.
Not Emma. Tell me I don't know. Emma, huh? No, it's not Emma. I beg your pardon. I thought you were another girl. I've been away a long time.
Who do you want, sir?
There, you see? It's her voice, too. Who are you?
How did you get in, sir?
Who are you?
Where have you come from?
Bedford. I took a car. Who are you?
Who do you want to see?
Who are you?
I think I am your daughter.
Ha ha ha, daughter. Daughter? My wife isn't my wife. She is my daughter. And my daughter is 17 and I am 22.
You are forgetting what? Years and years?
Yes, of course. It's years and years. It's a lifetime. It's my daughter. What's your name, daughter?
My name is Melissa.
Melissa, huh? My mother was Melissa. I like Melissa. I suppose we are rather a shock to each other, Melissa.
No, you are not shocked to me, but I am afraid.
Is your? Where's Emma?
Mother is at church.
Will she be back soon?
Yes, that's why I'm afraid.
I might go meet her, huh?
Oh, I wouldn't. Come and sit down and wait for her and talk.
Very well. I say, isn't this queer?
It makes me want to cry.
Why? That all over. That's the thing to do. What a lovely room this is. I can't say I like the new wallpaper or the curtains.
Yes, I like the old red ones too. Those aren't the only changes. Everything changes.
But your Aunt Claudia hasn't, huh? And I bet you, I say, is your mother such a darling still?
Look here, Father.
Father. Well?
We have got to talk. We have got to get things straight before Mother comes back.
Back soon, huh? Why have Emma moved the clock? It was much better where we put it. Must get it put back. It's nearly 1. She's late, isn't she? I really think I will go out and meet your mother.
You are to stay here.
Very well. I will do as I like about that.
I will not have you frighten her. Can't you realize what the shock?
Never know anyone die of joy yet.
Father, you don't understand. You and Mother?
Look here, this has nothing to do with you.
But you must not.
Now I tell you, I am not going to be hectored. I can't stand it. I've had enough of it. Did you hear? I've had enough of it.
If you talk to Mother like this...
Emma, understand.
So I do understand.
I believe you do. You get wild in a moment. That's my way too. I mean nothing. Emma can't see that I mean nothing, but it makes a man wild. You know, to be dragooned when he is as sane as my God. I am sane. That's all over, isn't it? I am sane, daughter.
Father.
Don't let me get that way. Help me to go slow. I'm as well as you are, you know. But it's new. It's only happened today. Like a curtain lifting, you see I was standing in the garden.
I can't understand how you got away.
Led like Peter out of prison. I went through the gate openly. Their eyes were blinded. Pure luck, you know. There were visitors going out, and I nipped along with them, talking. No one spotted me. I wouldn't have believed it possible. Heaps of us, of them, I mean, have tried, you know.
But you had no money.
I took the first taxi I saw, promised him double. He's at the lower gate now, waiting to be paid.
Father dear, you are not a millionaire.
Your mother will see to it. That him, suppose, he got tired of waiting and come around.
No, that will be Mother. You mustn't stop there. You must let me tell her. You must let me tell her first, Father, please.
Your mother, is it? Your mother, huh? Here, child, a minute. Give me a minute. Give me a minute.
No, it couldn't. But he's coming around. And directly after lunch, Marcel!
Emma, is it Emma? I've come home.
Melissa, don't go away.
It's all right, Mother.
Emma,
But they said incurable. They should have said incurable.
what does it matter? I'm well. I am well, Emma. I tell you, it came over me like a lantern flash, like a face turning to you. I was in the garden, you know, lost. I was a lost soul, outcast, no hope. I can never make anyone understand. I was never like the rest of them. I was always sane, always, but their face was turned away.
What face?
The face of God.
Melissa, is it?
It's all right, Mother. That isn't madness. He's come to himself.
Then what am I supposed to do?
What's that?
I...
You don't say a word. One would think you weren't glad to see me. Aren't you glad to see me?
Of course, glad. Poor you, Marcel.
You know what it is to say to myself, I am home. That place.
Oh, but there was very comfortable.
Hell.
But they were good to you, Marcel.
Good enough.
They didn't. Did they ill-treat you, Marcel?
Mother, you know you did your best.
If it had been heaven, what difference does it make? I was a dead man. Do you know what the dead do in heaven? They sit on their golden chair and sicken for home. Why you never come?
They wouldn't let me come see you, Marcel. They said it'd make you worse.
Because I wanted you so.
But you didn't know me, Marcel.
My voice didn't, and my speech and my actions didn't, but I knew you. Emma behind the curtain, behind the dreams and noises and the abandonment of God. I wanted you. Look here. I tell you, we mustn't talk of things. It's not safe, I tell you. When I talk, I see a black hand reaching through the widening crack of the floor to catch me by the ankle and drag.
Father, go slow.
Melissa, please.
It's all right, Mother. We will manage.
Yes, you. Tell your mother. I'm all right. You understand that, don't you? Once it was a real hand. Now I know it's in my mind. I tell you, Emma, I'm well. But it's not safe to think about anything but, oh my dear, and the holly and their fire and the snow like a veil of peace on me, and you like the snow so still.
Marcel, no.
Yes.